Yes, Jesus, Lord.
No.
Hey, this is your pay for coming out on our video.
Es que así somos los buenos negociantes. Yo soy.
¿Is this not yours?
5,000 pesos, güey. Estamos, güey. Fuga, güey. Seguimos avanzando aquí en el cuarto de Bieber, puro Horchata Boys. Sigamos en las redes sociales, en YouTube, Horchata Boys. Todo pa' puro fly shit only. Huh?
Okay. Bitch number 1 and bitch number 2 over here. Which I'm pretty upset about bitch number 2 because look at the dumbass backpack he brought to the fucking beach.
Bro, how you gonna get down there?
Reason number 2 why this dude got me mad. Look at his fucking socks.
What are those?
Yeah, my butt cheeks are like.
Are you sure about that?
They're squeaking right now like SpongeBob shoes?
Bye, have a great time.
Instead of coming to a beach I was supposed to be not packed, but it's fucking packed. Look at this shit.
Yeah, you take a big ass piss.
Holy shit.
What the fuck?
Coming live from Horchata News. We're at the beach, sunny as fuck. Now it's raining. It's pouring. There's it too. My God, Ollie from Family Guy.
It's raining sideways!
Show me shoes. Show me shoes.
What the fuck are those?
What are those?
Our shoes getting wet. My speaker is done. It's pouring out here. We got him choking. It's crazy. It was just sunny not too long ago. This dude looks like a fucking right in a pussy dude.
Fucking right in the pussy.
If I'm shaking too much, it's because it's really fucking cold and we didn't have time to put on shirts. It's fucking cold. Look how cold it is. Look at my nipple. Stupid hard. But fuck Santa Monica now. I fuck with this beach.
So kid, the water's stiff.
Yeah. Crazy shit happens. Alright, so I know probably this video is gonna be like pointless because we're doing a lot of pointless shit, but we're just doing a whole bunch of pointless shit, so the video won't be boring, I guess you can say. The point of the video is just to talk about why we made the channel, the type of shit we're gonna do, the type of shit we do. Well, we basically made the channel because we're pretty funny, I guess. Like, not to be cocky or anything, but when we're all like together, all the homies, Bieber, Devin, Victor, me, Boyo, Frank sometimes, it's pretty funny. We do some funny shit. We go to clean ass like places and whatever. We never thought about getting a lot of views and like sharing it and shit, but once it started happening, we were like, oh shit, people actually watch the videos. People actually think we're funny, so I guess like let's just keep on doing what we're doing. It's just having fun, just fucking around. People think it's funny and that's pretty cool. Scared the fuck out of me. Alright, so my name is actually Sergio, but a lot of people call me Sweet Dick Willie. This other motherfucker doesn't want to come out, but he's the other dude. The other hand, his name is Miguel, aka Little Big Head. In the future, we're probably gonna make same shit, random shit that happens in the hood. Skits probably, if the homies are down. Yeah, just funny shit. We don't really post anything serious. We just do stupid shit fucking around because that's like the funny shit.
Baby, I'm a savage, I ain't romantic. When I come around, these rapper niggas start to panic, and they pockets going under like the Titanic.